This is where the hanger should be. That is where the hanger mount is. The hanger will come in conflict with this piece. It'll be in the exact same spot as where the piece comes off of the resonator. The bend here has made this pipe too far in the center to where they touch. Here and rub together. As you can see, this whole length, there's supposed to be a gap. There's no gap. And then I had to reclock it because the exhaust rubbed on the drive shaft here. You can see where it's rubbed into it. These couplers, these bolts broke when tightening and loosening. You can see where I've had to replace them with just some that I had. And you can also see they're leaking on both sides of it. This coupler. This is what they sent. It's just a butt connector coupler. This driver's side, there's a gap that's over an inch in between the two pipes because this pipe is bent wrong. I'm guessing at this joint right here. And that forces it to be too close and too short right here. So I'm going to take it to the muffler shop tomorrow and see if they can fix that. And then there's no marking at all on these tips. There's nothing. Let's see, there's nothing there. And here's what it sounds like now. It is a super deep tone. It sounds really good, but the craftsmanship and quality is just terrible. No quality control.